This multimeter has a count of 1999 and this one has a count of 22,000. When you talk about count, we are not talking about the range. It does not mean that this one can measure voltage up to 22,000. So when you hear multimeter count, we are talking about the resolution, which is the amount of digits that can be displayed on the screen. So right now this one is at 1731 and this one is at 17,220 digits. Let's increase the voltage a little bit and see what happens. So remember this one has a 1990 digit count. Look what happens when we pass 1990. It goes over range, which means you have to switch to the next higher range. Now you can see the voltage is 19.9. So we have lost 1 decimal point digit in resolution. This one you can see will still have 3 digits in the decimal places, but we are still below the 22,000 counts. So let's increase the voltage above 22. And you see we have gone over range, so the multimeter has selected the next higher range automatically, and now we have lost 1 digit in decimal place. So this applies to every other thing that the multimeter is measuring, so which can be the resistance, the capacitance, amps, voltage. So if your reading goes above the multimeter count, you'll have to select the next higher range, but by doing so you will lose 1 digit in resolution. The count has nothing to do with where the decimal place is. Let me show you. Let's try to measure 1 volts. Now let's switch to the appropriate range. So we have 4 digits, 1.007, with 3 being in the decimal places. But this is still below 1990. So let's increase the voltage above 1.9. 7, 8, 9 over range. The high digit count is maybe for precision and accuracy. For the same measurement, a high count multimeter can display more digits, giving you that aspect of precision. Now you tell me, is it something that you consider when you're choosing a multimeter?